Hello everyone. So as you can see, our blackcurrant bush give out very nice fruits, and it's actually not a lot, but I need to do something with it, and easiest and quickest what I can do is just make some actually medicine of it. Yeah, sound weird, right? Anyway, you will all see what I talk about. So we got like 802 grams, 0.0 kilograms. So cool. That was the weight of the ball. So let's just play with this. And what I just want to do with it, I will just take the fruits, take this jar, just drop the camera in. You can see, I think so. Or maybe a little bit up. Good. Now one more thing. Let's just drop it in. Come on. Of course it's already washed and I picked all the debris, all those stuff, so I just hope this jar will be big enough. Come on. Yeah, look like fine. There we go. That's our jar, and blackcurrant in. What next I will do? I will give a little bit sweetness. Let's say for such an amount I don't need so much, because cell fruit it's also like quite sweet. Okay, maybe a tablespoon more. Yeah, one more, why not? Yeah, great, that's enough. Yeah, I would say will be like about half of the glass. Then what I have here is just vodka, so going in. Yeah, that should be a few drops more, just to cover the fruits. Then closing it, mix it a little bit, try to dissolve a little bit of the sugar. Okay, and now it's like done. Quite quick, so what do you think? Very quick job. Anyway, now for the next 2 weeks I will have to stop by to this jar and just grab it and just shake it like this, flip it upside down every day in next 2 weeks. Once a day should be enough. Later on we will get rid of the fruits. I don't know if we do something of that fruit later on, but we will all see. I think I will just hit it a few times with some fork. get a better color, to smash few of them. I should do that before I put the alcohol in, but I could as well smash some of them just like that. That should do the job anyway. Swirl it, and okay, so that's it. Now it needs to just go to its own place. And like I said, every day in 2 weeks, just put one more, give it one more shake, and that should do the job. Okay, let's say in here. Yeah, I do got some of it already, and there was more. Yeah, see you tomorrow, dude. I will just make like tiny piece of paper, like on each and every, so I don't miss or forget what I have done, and one has to be done. So that's it, guys. That's the quick process of this fruits, 800 grams. So I hope you enjoy that. So see you at the next one.